Hello guys, how are you? I hope that you are fine. This is Mr. Kareem and today we have a grammar lesson. So please I want you to open your grammar box, page 76, and our lesson will be pronoun and antecedent. So please if you're ready, let's get started. So guys, as I said, in any grammar lesson, we have to know the meanings of the new definitions or the new words. So in this lesson we have two important words, pronoun and antecedent. Actually the definition of a pronoun, it's a word that takes the place of a noun or nouns and may be singular like I, he, she, it, me, him, her, or you. Also it can be plural like we, they, them, us, and you. Now you can see that the word you is already repeated in singular and plural. Actually, when you talk to only one person, you will tell him how are you. This is a singular usage. And also when you talk to more than two, a group of people, you have to tell them how are you. So the word you can be used as singular or plural. Let's take some examples about the pronouns. Number one, Messi is so talented, he scores a lot of goals. So here the pronoun is he. Why? Because it takes the place of the word Messi, the noun. Instead of repeating Messi again, we replace it by the pronoun he. And actually it's called a subject pronoun because we started the sentence with he. Subject pronoun. Another example, this is my book. I forgot it here yesterday. So my is the pronoun, but with a different type, which is possessive pronoun, because the book belongs to me. So I have to say my book, possessive pronoun. Also, we have another type of pronouns here, which is it. It replaces the word book. Instead of writing the book again or saying the book again, I just write it. So it is called an object pronoun. I forgot it here yesterday. It takes the place of the word book. Okay. The second word is antecedent. What does it mean? Actually, it's also a word, the noun or the nouns to which the pronoun refers. What does it mean? Antecedent is the word that we already replaced by the pronoun. For example, Jack finished his homework. So here we have the pronoun his and the antecedent Jack. How did I know? Actually, his possessive pronoun, his homework, the homework related to him, and Jack is the word that replaced by his. Instead of writing Jack again, Jack finished what? He finished his homework. So his is related to Jack. Okay? So again, his, the circled one, is the pronoun and Jack is the antecedent. Another example to be clear, Susan ate her pizza. Her, possessive pronoun, Susan, the antecedent. Why? Because her is a possessive pronoun, the pizza related to her, and Susan is an antecedent. Why? Because it's the word that the pronoun replaced. So her is related to Susan. That's it. Okay? Now, the last definition in this lesson, we call it indefinite pronoun. Okay, let's take some examples. Some, everyone, nowhere, anything. Okay, what's the meaning of indefinite pronoun? Actually, it's a pronoun but doesn't refer to a particular person, place, or thing. When you tell me that someone ate my sandwich, So I didn't know who is the person who made the action or who took the action. Okay? For example, when you tell me, I want to eat anything, I'm very hungry. I didn't know the type of food or the kind of food that you want to eat. You are talking in general. Okay? So it's not a particular person, place, or thing. Example, some students are absent today. So the word some is called indefinite pronoun. Why? Because we don't know the names of the absent students today. We just mentioned that some students are absent, but we didn't mention the names. Okay? Is it clear? Okay. Now, let's watch a video about the lesson, clarifying the meaning of pronoun and antecedent. Watch with me.
Learning upgrade. Now listen up. A pronoun takes the place of a noun. The antecedent is the noun which the pronoun replaces or refers to. The pronoun and antecedent must match or agree. When Sally goes home, she eats dinner. She is the pronoun. Sally is the antecedent. Since Sally is one woman, the pronoun she is in agreement. The students went to their classroom. There is the pronoun. Students is the antecedent. Since students is many people, the pronoun there is in agreement. Mark drives his car to work. His is the pronoun. Mark is the antecedent. Since Mark is one man, the pronoun his is in agreement. A pronoun takes the place of a noun.
Okay guys, as we watched the video, I think it's very clear. Now it's time to practice, to answer some exercises to check if we understand the lesson or not. Okay? Let's take the first example. Read each sentence, circle each pronoun, then draw a line under the antecedent. And note, take care, if the pronoun is indefinite, there may be no antecedent. Okay? Let's see number one. The girl saw the bike she had always wanted. So here I answered number 1 and 2 for you as examples, and you have to answer from number 3 till number 10. Okay? Let's see the answer of number 1. Actually, he said circle the pronoun. So in number 1, the pronoun is she, subject to pronoun, and we have to underline the antecedent. What does it mean, the antecedent? The word that the pronoun replaced. And instead of repeating the word, we wrote she. So of course, she replaced the girl. That's why we need to underline the girl. Okay? Number 2. The bike had lights, bells, and streamers on it. Where is the pronoun to circle it? Of course, the pronoun is it. Object pronoun. Okay, what about the antecedent? The word it replaced. Let's go back and we will find that the bike is the antecedent because the lights and the bells will be on the bike. Instead of writing the bike again, we just mentioned it. So it, the pronoun, the bike is the antecedent. Okay, I hope that you will answer from number 3 till number 10 as homework. The second exercise. Read each sentence, choose the pronoun in parentheses that best completes the sentence. write it on the line provided. So we need to read the sentence and to choose the correct pronoun to complete the meaning of the sentence. Let's see number 1. Our neighbors told us about the trip. He or they are talking. Actually, I answered number 1 and 2 as examples for you, and you will continue answering from 3 until number 10. Number 1, our neighbors told us about a trip he or they are taking. So, because we have are for plural, so we can't say he are. No, we have to choose they. They are. They plural pronoun and are for plural. So the answer will be they are taking. Number 2, they will visit friends in Florida and stay with her or them for a week. Actually, they will visit friends. Will visit friends, group of friends, plural, not only one. So, and they will stay with her or them, her singular, them plural. So, friends are plural, we have to choose them for plural. Clear? So don't forget the agreement. If we have a plural word, we have also to choose the plural pronoun. Plural noun, plural pronoun. Okay? I hope that you will finish from number 3 to number 10 as homework. Okay. Now, let's take some games as a kind of applying. Let's see. Now we have to choose the subject pronoun and the object pronoun to put them together to finish the game. For example, I is a subject pronoun. What is the suitable object pronoun for I? If something is related to the person who is talking about himself, I, so I think that me is very suitable to I. So it's correct. Okay, what about they? What is the object pronoun for they? Yes, it's them. What about he? Subject pronoun he. The object pronoun will be him. Yes. She, subject pronoun, and her, the object pronoun. We, the object pronoun is us. It will be the same, and also you will be the same. Actually, now we answered all of them correct. Let's see another game. Here we have to move the pronouns to be in the suitable places according to the meaning of these sentences. Let's see. Thank you for space last letter. You are thanking someone for the letter that he sent to you. So thank you for your last letter. I enjoyed reading what? I need a pronoun that is related to the letter. Singular noun, so we need singular pronoun. And the letter is not human, so we need it. I enjoyed reading it. Have space children started space new school yet? Have your children? Yes, I'm telling someone about his children. Have your children started space new school? So I mean the school of the children. So their school, their new school. Mary asked space for space new address. Mary asked me. Because I am the speaker, she asked me for what new address. So I feel that it will be she asked me for your new address. Okay. So I give it to Mary. So I need a female pronoun, singular pronoun. So I give it to her. I saw Anne last week. she said, space, would phone you this week. So Anne, the subject pronoun for Anne will be she. She said she would phone you this week to invite you, of course. She will invite you to her birthday party. Well, I'm going to my class now. Let's check the answers. Okay, now he made these two mistakes because they are the same actually, your and your, but maybe according to the game, he made this one for the letter and this one for the children, so we have just to replace them and everything will be correct. Okay, actually, this is a very interesting game. I hope that you enjoyed a lot. Okay, guys, so this was our new lesson today for the grammar. I will check your homework inshallah when you finish. Just capture and send it to me by your by our communication devices. Okay, thank you so much.